Hi guys, my name is Vaibhav Nuts from Gurgaon, home BJJ Gurgaon, and I have been in this gym for around 2 years. I joined in November 2018, and thankfully I found this gym because it helped me attain my fitness goals. When I was in 12th, I gained a lot of weight. I was 90 kgs then it really seemed hard to attain fitness at that level because I had to lose weight, and then again I had to increase my stamina, strength, and all that stuff. So it became really difficult. But once then my father, he got a reference about this gym, amazing coach in Gurgaon, and I went for a trial class, and then I realized that it is one of the best gyms I've ever been into because it not only teaches you martial arts, but it also helps you maintain your fitness goals and health. So why I have been doing this, going to this gym? It's because they have been teaching us Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. It's an amazing grappling art, and it helps you maintain a fitness, self-defense, as well as your health. So in the beginning, it seemed that it will take a lot of time, but within a span of 6 months, I lose 15 kgs, and now I'm around 75 kilos, and I hope that I'll be more fit. And definitely in this COVID situation, everything has been closed, but sooner or later the gym will open again, and we'll be training again. And I hope all of you join this gym. Do come and train with us one day, and you'll realize yourself that it's an amazing gym, an amazing way to maintain your health emotionally, mentally, physically, as well as learning a martial art to keep yourself fit and safe, because during this time uh, we have to maintain ourselves in the COVID situation, actually because of the virus, as well as there's a lot of threat outside nowadays, specifically for women, children. So it will be an amazing opportunity for you guys to have fitness and self defense at the same time. And about the coach, he's an amazing guy, has been helping us throughout his lifetime, and is still going on helping us because he's doing this online classes. And the best part about him is that he's been helping the children in the villages. Now he has started a movement in his own village, and he's teaching these children martial arts, pranayam, and yoga as well, which helps them maintain their fitness mentally, physically, emotionally, everywhere. And it's his goal that this kind of movement goes in each and every village, so that everyone can understand what BJJ, what health, what fitness is, and they can achieve their fitness goals and health as well during, because if you keep on doing your exercise, yoga, pranayam, then you can help boost your immunity. It will help you boost your immunity. Food is nutrition is a really important stuff, but keeping yourself physically fit and doing yoga, pranayam, meditation will help you increase your immunity. And that's what coach Anand Sharma is doing, and he's helping a lot of guys, and I'm really thankful that I've got such an amazing coach. Thank you.